Okay, new charger for my mobile phone. I ordered from AliExpress. Only 2 rupees. So I should order two. Okay, I can open it. Let me now try it. Okay, I'm going to use a scissor. So let me cut it. Okay. Keep the scissor over here. Look at that. Is there anything inside? Nothing. Okay. Only for 2 rupees. Or no, I think it's 1 rupees. I should order. So according to description, this is going to be a magnetic. So okay. Look at that. I think it's a 1 meter cable. Okay, I like it. This one here, only this area. Okay, look at the light. Okay, so I'm going to charge it out. Change the color, like the color, blue color. So it is about 2 rupees. I'm going to use it for at least 3 months. Good for me, but I like this product.